मैं पैदाइश हो गया बंदर गनावे. Bandar Ganave is in south of Iran. We are 10 my house is 10 minutes walk to the sea.
अच्छा.
Yes.
फिर
Then क्या?
आप कब आए इंडिया, कब भारत कब आए?
अपना मुल्क क्यों छोड़ना पड़ा?
1957 I came to India. 49 years ago. I came to India to study. I studied in Wadia College. I completed my graduation in Wadia College. Then for post-graduation, I went to Symbiosis College.
सिम्बायोसिस में आप मास्टर की के लिए गए थे?
Yes. Symbiosis College, a master degree, but after 4 months, somebody said that he is against Islamic regime overall. He reported to Iranian consulate in Mumbai. Iranian consulate in Mumbai asked Symbiosis to leave me.
और आपको फिर छोड़ना पड़ा?
After 4 months, died.
सर आपको अपना मुल्क क्यों छोड़ना पड़ा?
I came here to study. When I was 26 years, I came to study in India.
आपके फैमिली के साथ वहाँ पर क्या हुआ?
My family, I cannot contact them. They cannot contact me at all.
लेकिन आपके फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ क्या हुआ?
They are living in Iran. कुछ नहीं है, हमें कुछ नहीं है. But I have no relation with them. They cannot have relation with me.
और आपके भाई के साथ क्या हुआ?
मेरा भाई was गवर्नमेंट इस्लाम खिलाफ था, वो इस्लामिक रीजन फांसी दिया.
और आपके पिताजी?
मैं पिताजी वो for 30 years ago I saw my father here for 10 days, and then after 30 years I have not seen my father, not my brother, not my mother, no one of my family I saw.
और फिर आपने एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एस्टेब्लिश की है, उसको ज्वाइन किया?
Yes.
वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्या है, वो कहाँ पे फॉर्म हुई?
National Movement of the Iranian Organization was formed by Dr. Shapur Bakhtiyar in France.
और आप उसके मेंबर बने?
Yes.
वो कब हुए आप मेंबर उसके? कितने साल पहले की बात है?
When Dr. Shapur Bakhtiyar went from Iran to France, by that time 49 years ago.
So you joined that organization?
Yes.
और ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन काम क्या करती है?
Being active against Islamic regime of Iran to form a nationalist and democratic government in Iran.
तो काम क्या करते हैं आप? आप what work your organization do?
This is what we are doing here. Yes.
To spread the word.
Yes.
सर आयतुल्लाह खमेनी के बारे में बताया जाता है कि इधर बहुत सारा सपोर्ट मिलता है, यहाँ इंडिया से भी, वर्ल्ड से भी उनको का सपोर्ट मिलता है. आपके नज़र से क्या है आयतुल्लाह खमेनी?
How do you see him?
Ayatollah Khamenei dead. His son is Mujtaba Khamenei's leader. Ayatollah Khamenei and Ayatollah Khamenei, they have supported in Iranian Imambare synagogue district, where they don't allow me to go inside. Inside they don't allow me to go.
Here only?
In Pune synagogue street. Camp.
So how do you see Khamenei regime in last 30-40 years?
Same dictatorship. Like nothing less than dictatorship and killing.
Execution, hanging.
Killing, execution, whatever you call it, but killing and killing and killing.
And for what purpose they are killing people?
Because those people who kill, they said we don't want Islam.
आयतुल्ला खामेनी के शुरुआत के दिन कैसे थे जब आप वहां पर थे?
Ayatollah.
अच्छा,
लेकिन आपने जो सुना वो
आपने
कैसे
जो
थे?
सुना वो क्या था?
He is a dictator. मैं क्या बताऊँ? He is a dictator, and his son also, which is love
Bakhtar.
leader, he is Moshtaba Khomeini also a dictator. दोनों dictator.
आप
नहीं,
अपने
Khomeini. Actually, Khomeini, Ayatollah Khomeini was from Lucknow.
हाँ, बिल्कुल।
From Lucknow, childhood he went to Iraq. From Iraq, he came to Iran.
आप अपने मुल्क वापस जाना चाहते हैं?
Pardon?
आप अपने मुल्क वापस जाना चाहते हैं?
Mood.
अपने
You want
देश
to go to-
वापस जाना चाहते हैं?
You wanted to go back to your country?
I like to go, but if I go, they hang me. They hang me, they execute me.
अभी जो वॉर चल रहा है उसको आप किस तरीके से देखते हो?
We want no war in Iran.
ठीक है सर।
थैंक यू
See,
सर।
Turkey and Pakistan. Turkey and Pakistan is helping Iran, Islamic regime of Iran. Turkey and Pakistan.
यस सर, थैंक यू।
Welcome.